Hey, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to give you a quick little overview of activitytracker.com. Now, it's very important that you listen very close and don't miss a word because literally the next few minutes could change your entire business and redesign it, taking it to all new levels, all because of this tool. Activity Tracker is a user-friendly tracking tool that's both free and simple. See, Activity Tracker is a patent-pending online tool designed to increase your team's motivation, productivity, and income. Here's a snapshot of what Activity Tracker looks like. This is what we call the dashboard. Activity Tracker tracks every single activity that you do. You get to custom create templates of the activities that you want to track. You can create new, go from existing ones that have been made, modify existing ones, and whatever you make and whatever you decide to track, this is literally how easy it is. It allows you to quickly and instantly input various business activities such as exposures, calls, appointments, sales, commissions, all with the point and all of the click of a button. All you literally need to do is choose what you want to track, you and your organization. You click a button and it is tracked. Not only does it track this to give you that accountability and to promote that daily activity required to build your business, but it even tallies up your activities for all time and instantaneously calculates your averages, closing percentages, ratios, allowing you to track your improvement, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and see exactly how much activity you need to generate your desired results. You can have your information, you can set it up to talk to each other however in the world you want. For this example, this is actually my personal this is actually one from my personal business, and as you can see, you know, the most important things, you can see the percentages. Hey, how many people do I have to put on a pre-recorded call to set an appointment? All right, how many appointments do I have to set to actually land a presentation? And of course, the end result, which is how much activity do I need to generate? How many dials of the phone? How many times do I have to pick up the phone to have that lead to a sale? Now that I know my ratio is 20-1, if I want to sell one of my memberships or products or services a day, all right, knowing what my ratios are, I know that 20 phone calls need to be made every single day. You've now formulated a process that to some is just a mystery and happenstance. All right, it's so important to track your business. It's so important to track your activity because once you have that, you can literally calculate your results down to the T with a science. All right. Not only does it serve to be the ultimate workout partner and the ultimate success coach, but it actually instantaneously calculates how much money you earn for every single activity in the exposure process. See, what a lot of people don't understand is, let's say, for example, all right, it takes you need to run through your personal ratios. You need to talk to 10 people to get one. And when you do make that one sale, let's say, for example, you make $100. Well, if you make $100 and it took you have to go through the 10 people to get to that eventually. You have to go through the 9 people that say no and they're not interested to get to that one. Well, every one of those people was a responsible part of your income. So if you take your commission, $100 divided by 10, well, then you just realize that, hey, every one of those people, whether they say yes or no, that was worth $10. Well, you can actually do that with every single step of your activity process. And in this example, Activity Tracker does that for you. It will calculate how much money you earned for every activity in the process. So what used to be mundane, what used to not be exciting, what you used to dread, things like picking up the phone, making an exposure, talking to someone, all right, now all of a sudden, those become income generating activities and you actually know how much you make. Think about it. How many times in this example, for myself, every time the phone was picked up, it earned me a net of about $12.60. Do you think that would motivate somebody if they knew every time they picked up the phone, whether the person said yes or no, or even picked up the phone, it was worth $12.60? Let me ask you this. Would you sign up for a job that would pay you $12 every time you pick up the phone, whether you got a voicemail or a live person or not? Well, that's exactly what Activity Tracker does is it monetizes the mundane and gives you the desire to drive the activity necessary to build your business. It even is an incredible coaching tool because it fuels your relationships with existing workout partners within your business or throughout other companies, because what it allows you to do is it allows you to coach others and work with workout partners in a way that's never been easier or more fun. Anyone that signs up for Activity Tracker, like any network, you can actually socialize and you can actually friend up other people. So what you can do is you can actually friend up somebody else on Activity Tracker, and you can say, hey, look, what's your name? You can pop it in, let's be friends, and you can actually share your actual activity so they can see what you're doing and you can see what they're doing if you so choose to. Now, example, you click on friends list, a little pop down comes, and we'll look at John Doe here. These are the views that he's actually chosen to share. You click on the link, and then boom, you can see exactly what John Doe is doing real time. See, in your business, there's two reasons why you're not where you want to be or where you're not doing better. It's because you're not doing something enough or you're not doing something right. You're either not doing something right or you're not doing something enough. That's all it ever is. This takes those relationships to the next level and allows you to be a master coach, because you can see right here in this example, all right, with John Doe on this, when you're looking at his activity and his results, you can see his results are phenomenal. He's got great high percentages of everything he's doing. I mean, this guy's a killer closer, but if you look at his activity, I mean, come on, 5 calls all week. I mean, there's no more mystery. John Doe can't play the blame game. He can't blame the company, the services, the leadership. Hey, it's all right in front of his face at all times. There's no mystery to why he's not where he wants to be. So again, when people take responsibility and they don't play the blame game, they can get back in activity mode, and they're never mad at you, their leaders or anything. They can see instantly why it is they're not where they want to be. So with John, you need to just focus on saying, hey, John, listen, your percentages are great. Let's go ahead and focus and step up your activity, though. And again, you can sort out your summaries by however long, week, month to date, year to date, whatever. Now, I know everyone watching this is pretty excited. You're saying, man, this is awesome. I got to get this, not just for myself, but everyone I talk to. I'm going to put them on, people in other businesses, people in other teams. You know, I want to network. We're going to create workout partners. Hey, that's great. But how about your own organization? People always ask, well, you know, how do I add people to Activity Tracker? Well, there's a really quick and simple way, and this can be duplicated to your organization literally in seconds. All you have to do is click the Invite Others button, click on something called Create New Invitation Code, and when you create an invitation code, it allows you to put in and choose something that people will reference when they sign up. So when they come in, they become automatically attached to you. They can start off as your friend as a default, and they can even start preloaded with views and templates that you recommend that they use to start off. So from an organizational standpoint, you can create, for example, in this one, the invitation code was PPL. All right, again, start off the new users as a friend, and you can see, you know, the PPL tracker, the Romar tracker. These are a couple check boxes you checked. So every single person, when they reference that, they will automatically start off with those, with those views preloaded into their back office. Now, you're going to get a link, and you're going to get a little personal thing that they can put in. You can attach that link to your website. See, a lot of teams, you know, they'll just put a little activity tracker link on their page. Someone goes to Activity Tracker, all right, and it preloads the invitation code into their sign-up process. In this example with this team, there's actually a little video demo, you know, overviewing what it is and why they want everyone on that team to use it. They click on the link, and then boom, it automatically will, when they click on the link, it'll automatically start off when they click sign up. The invitation code will come preloaded. Now again, they don't have to. You could just text message or on a conference call tell everyone on your team, say, hey, go to activitytracker.com, invitation code, do PPL in this example. When they sign up, click on the recommended views tab. When you go to add new views to your dashboard, click on the ones that were pre-selected. Again, you chose these for them. So they click on my PPL tracker, and it comes downloaded and just right into their dashboard, and they can choose it at any time when they log on. All they have to do, they don't have to figure something out. They don't have to learn something new. All you have to do is say, hey, listen, I'm going to work with you. I'm going to coach you. All right, but one of the things that I do is part of our mentoring program, all right, for me to really give you the best help, all you need to do is at the end of the day or throughout the day, just log in what you've done. Take a look at your cell phone at the end of the day. How many phone calls did you make? How many people did you picked up the phone that you talked to? Did you set any appointments? Did you put them on pre-recorded calls? Did you do presentations online or in person? Any sales, commission, enter it, and you literally will be able to stay in touch with them and really coach them on a whole new level. Again, very exciting tool. It's free, it's fun, it's easy, and it's extremely duplicatable. All right, it's probably the best motivational tool that exists out there for jacking up your motivation, jacking up your activity, and really it's an unbelievable coaching and mentoring tool for leaders. So this is something that if you want to coach and work with anyone, I would make it almost mandatory that they use that. All right, again, it's very simple and duplicatable. There's nothing you need to know that you can't find out on the site. All you do is go look around for the question marks in the help videos, and videos will literally pop up and teach you things like right on the front of your screen how to create custom templates, you know, how to add people. You don't have to know how to do anything. All you need to do is sign up for an account, log in, and start going. And you can click on the tutorial section or the help videos and the question marks, and you will literally learn everything there is. All right, so very excited for you and your business. If you're not excited right now, you might be dead. All right, so get excited. Hop onto the site and look forward to working with you. Feel free to contact us at any time by clicking on the Contact Us page. Again, hope you enjoyed yourself, and let's go ahead and redesign and redevelop your business and make it focused on activity and results. All right, thank you very much. Cesar Rodriguez, founder of Activity Tracker. Take care and God bless.